All right, so I have another new idea on how to solve a system of equations with just two variables, and this very method is going to be pretty, valuable for those that be writing JAMB in math and mathematics, and then in all the world you will equally find solving of simultaneous linear equations with two variables so interesting. So let's have a quick look of how this Olamatics method works here. Now, we have 2a plus 7b rounding up to 25, a plus 25 rounding up to 8. So all you need to do here using this method, Olamatics, is just to cross multiply this 25 by the whole of what you are seeing here, so that 25 times a should be given 25a, plus 25 times 2b is 50b. Then 8 multiplied by 2a will be given 16a. 8 multiplied by 7b should be given 56b. And then around here, you'll be taking like terms collection, you'll be taking your like terms collection. So here you have 25a minus 16a, liberating 56b minus 50b, so that 25a minus 16b, a, which is 9a, will be yielding 56b minus 50b as 6b. And then about here, you just make a skewness, of variables by doing a over b to give 6 over what? Over 9. You do a over b here, and then do 6 over 9. And that's what we are seeing here. So from here, we can conclude that a over b can be what? Now, upon reduction, this fraction, we should be having 2 over what? Over 3. 3 here, 2, you have 3. So, obviously speaking, a belongs to 2 and b belongs to 3. But in this case, you must always test your answer, the validity of your answers. Now, if you are taking equation 1 as your testing equation, you have your what? 2 into the value of 2 plus 7 into the value of 3, giving 25. So let's see whether this statement will be rounding up to 25. 2 into 2 is 4, and then you have 7 into 3 to give 21. So is 4 plus 21 25? Yes, the answer is correct, very correct. So A is therefore 2 and B 3. Then question 2, we have 2A minus 7B going to minus 17. You have A plus 2B going to 8. So here is another set of equations to solve using Olamatics method. Now, this Olamatics is somehow different from the first one I introduced in one of my videos. Now, so here you'll be cross multiplying this one by this one. So minus 17 times A should be given minus 17A. Minus 17 times 2B is minus 34B equals to, now you are taking this 8 to multiply these two entities. Now, 8 into 2A should be given 16A. 8 into minus 7B, you have minus 56B. Then as usual, do your like terms collection. So starting with variable A, we have minus 17A from this end, and you have 16A here. So collect your 16A over to this side. Of course, you'll be having it as minus 16A, and then minus 17A minus 16A, and then collecting your B's together here is having minus 56B, and then plus 34B. So minus 17A minus 16A should be given minus 33A. Then you have minus 26B plus 34B B to be given minus 12, minus 22, minus 22B. Then as usual, you do your skewness of variables, which has to be that we are doing A over B, rounding up to minus 22 over minus 33. Don't forget the procedure. You go A over B and then minus 22 over minus 33. So A over B, from here minus will be cancelling out, and then 22 and 11, the number that can go through this number is 11. So 11 goes into 22 twice, 11 goes into 33 3 times. And so evidently we can say that A is 2 and B is 3. So hypothetically, you will still need to test run your equation by setting into motion the necessary equations here. So you have A plus B can be 5. So from here you have 2 plus 3 giving 5. So evidentially A is 2 and B is 3. So let's take another example. So here's another scenario saying 2x plus y can be 0 and 5x minus 3 can also be minus 11. So using the Olamatics method, the modified one, you will need to cross multiply as usual. 0 by the whole of what is here. 0 times anything is 0. So we have 0 from this end. Now minus 11 times 2x is going to be what? Minus 22x. Minus 11 times y, we have minus 11y. So let's now rearrange our terms accordingly. So we have 22x rounding up to minus 11y. And so from here, the skewness of items should be given minus 11 over 22. And so from here, by the time you get this fraction reduced to the lowest terms, we have minus 11. Okay, this should be given minus 1 over 2 because 11 here, 1, 11 into 22 will be given 2. So temporarily, x is minus 1 and y is 2. Now, we are using the word temporary here because these values have not yet been confirmed true. Now, let's take one of the equations available for us here and see the validity of what we just got here. Now, so 2x plus y is 0. Now, so by the time you replace this x with minus 1 and y with 2, let's see whether this expression will be turning out to give 0. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 and then 2. We can see minus 2 plus 2 is obviously 0. So it is true and then valid that x is minus 1 and y is 2. So once again, we bring you greetings from Jasmine Boarding College, Azagba, and we hope that as we continue to watch our videos, you will continue to like them, share, and then make your necessary comment. Thank you very much, everyone.